First, line up the rack holes with the bolt holes in the frame. Then, thread the bolts through the rack into the frame. Make sure you do not cross-thread the bolts. Using your 4mm hex or Allen key, tighten the 6 bolts that hold the rack on.
For any additional questions, contact us at arielrider.com.
First, insert the 4 bolts through the holes on the bottom of the cargo basket. Then, slide the 4 rubber washers onto the bolts. This should ensure they don't fall off. Now, line up the 4 bolts with the corresponding bolt holes on the rack. After that, we will be sliding on a washer, then the nut. Tighten the nuts down. Make sure the basket and rack are secure. Now, line up the basket extension with the corresponding holes. Slide the bolts through the extension into the basket. Slide a washer on the bolt, then thread on a nut. Now tighten down all 8 nuts. Make sure the basket is secure. For any additional questions, contact us at www.arielrider.com.